So hello everyone, welcome to another Wretched Repairs. Well, kinda, it's a bit of more of a shop talk. As you guys might have noticed, I have not released any videos lately, which is because I've been working on some projects as well as you might see, a couple of sets for my Sideswipe set, and they're not completely done yet. I still have to remove these from the sprues and get the sets ready to go and become ready for shipment. These sets are basically the wheels. These are the front ones, they're smaller, and these are the rear ones, they're bigger. And then there's this filler that replaces the front sprue to make it stand, and it looks a little bit better because the wheels look bigger, and then it looks more like Sideswipe. The head is a little bit upgraded and a little bit bigger. The blades are still the same. But yeah, that's not why I decided to do a shop talk. I also want to show you that I'm still working on projects, even though with having a job, having a life, having a dog, and planning for a big remodel. I'm going to be moving quite soon into a new house, and that will be completely gutted and rebuilt the way I like it. So yeah, I'll start working on next videos. I hope I'll be able to do that. But come again, back to why I said this is a shop talk. I am still working on some projects, as you might know. For instance, right here we got a not a Bumblebee, but a Sideswipe, from which, as you can see, the roof is removed. As you can see here, I made a new bit to connect the rear. And why would I do that? Well, with the roof gone, it actually already is a convertible. So I am working on the back, rear bit, which will be done soon. So I hope I'll still be able to do some work on the cars while also making a lot of parts for everyone. But yeah, this one, as you might know in the movie, he also got different wheels. So this one, these are the ones you should have from the prototype car, and these are the ones he had in Dark of the Moon. I hope you can see it. It's there's a really thin black line also around there, so it will be chrome. And these, of course, are the rear ones. The front ones are smaller and less deep. So these are really in a dip dish, and these are quite narrow. But yeah, when they're coming onto the car, it will look a lot better. And then I'm still working on connecting the words and stuff, connecting the heads in there, which will be the same way as the other one. That will basically fit in there, and then we'll have an additional hinge on there, so it will actually rotate, pop out, and will be in the right position. I'm good. So as you might know, this is not the only one I've been working on and off, but it's getting there, it's close. All I need to do is finish the rear. And talking about finishing the rear on trucks, no, I'll do him later. Another one I've been working on for a while, as you might have noticed, is Bumblebee. As you know, I already have made him into a Dark of the Moon version. But I decided that I also want to do, for a lot of people think the mod of doing the bit in here is a little bit too difficult and too challenging. So some people ask me for another alternative, which basically is make him look more like the original, so the 2007 prototype. To do that, we basically, all we need to do is replace these wheels, because they are the wrong size with too thick of a tire. So I am almost done with making these, which are the proper 21-inch wheels that the car has. I hope you can see them a little bit closer. So yeah, basically the tire is a little thin strip on top, so you got nice big wheels. The original one actually had hubcaps over steel wheels. These will be proper rims, and they will be properly installed on the car. And I'm also working on a mod on the wheels that will actually allow them to be this way in car mode, But when they are in robot mode, hold on, I'll open the doors, which is always nice to do on camera. So basically the plan is to make it a hinge in here, so the wheel can actually rotate a little bit inwards and make the backpack more compact, so that you don't have to have the wheel sticking out. I'm still prototyping that, so that will be out soon, and then I'll do a proper video on how to mod this guy. But yeah, nice new wheels for Bumblebee to make him look more like the 2007 version. And of course, I'll also do the proper repaint on him, so he'll get the proper rally stripes the way he should have them. And yeah, a new Bumblebee, yay! This, by the way, is not the MPM, it's the Wasp version, which is actually the one I prefer because the feet are way nicer to look at. Yeah, so that's another one I've been working on, which is Bumblebee. And I'll do a video of him soon. And back to the big guy over there in the corner. I've put this away for a while because I'd always thought that Alien Attack, when they showed the Hound version they've been working on, I hope Michael has a way to show it in a corner or maybe here. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, that looks gorgeous, but it's been looking that way for, I think it's nearly 4 years now, and there's still no way it comes out. So we are still left with this being basically the best looking MPM version of Hound. It is the oversized, I think it's was young version of the old Voyager mold. As you might know, the old Voyager mold actually had this big canopy on the rear in the movie, the best version. Maybe I can show it here again. And yeah, that looks so much better. That's always been one of the gripes I had with this guy, that it doesn't have those. The thing I've been working on is making myself one that actually will collapse like the one you shown in the movie, that into a gun. So I've been working on the sides, and I also got the top bits ready. I'll show you, hold on. So this is a top bit which will connect over here. This is the center bit that will connect right there, and of course the rear bit that also connects to everything. So in the end you'll get a properly covered mode. I'm still working on the way to making sure that it actually fits into, transforms into a proper shell and a proper weapon, or a weapon platform, or weapon storage. I'm hoping to make it into a Gatling gun, but yeah, fingers crossed that will work. So I'm not promising anything, but I'm working on it. Another issue I have with Hound, which is, as you might notice when looking at this, is that I removed the wheels because I really hated the way his feet looked. And I wasn't a fan of the way the wheels looked. So I made him new wheels. These will go on, and you can actually lower it a little bit to make it look a little bit better. So with the new wheels and the proper sides, it's looking more and more like Hound should look. It always takes time to prototype things, to see if it works and make sure that everything fits properly. So the gap underneath here will be solved. I'll solve that later. I need to make proper measurements, proper angle shots, and then I can make it basically look a little bit bigger, a little bit better, a little bit more the way it should. That's the thing with prototyping. What isn't a prototype anymore is the wheels. These are the front ones. And they are at the moment just the first production versions I made. I actually did a while back, I did a short which showed the idea of the wheels. I took some time to make it into a more production ready version, which basically is transformable. So this is the way it stands. This will be his heel. This will be the front of the feet. Toes actually fold over, and then you slide it back in, and you'll have a proper feet that will look a lot better than the way the old circle one. As you might recall, there's just basically the wheel looks like this, original feet, and that doesn't work for me. So I made this, especially painted. These look gorgeous. I already have a black real wheel painted to give you an idea. So these are the same. So yeah, that's what we're working with. Basically, the front wheel will become the feet and make him look better. Also, thing I've been working on for this little guy is just like my Optimus Prime head. I made him a new bearded head that actually is able to split in half. And why would you want that? Well, basically because that way you can actually add the eyes in there and make him look gorgeous. So you can actually have light up eyes and everything working the way it should. This also is a prototype, but it's nearly completion. Yeah, this will be stunning. I love this. So that will be out as well, and I'll be doing a video about that one as well. So yeah, as I said before, I've just come back from the holiday, and I've been working to fill my reorders, which basically has been almost, for some reason, almost all of them have been Sideswipe. The one I've been working on here. And someone actually asked me to reshoot that video because there wasn't enough information in there. The camera work was still a bit in its early shoes, and he did not really see what needed to be modded, what needed to be changed in order for the head to fit in there and to make the wheels attach, and what to replace, like the one in here. So yeah, if you guys think that's a good idea to reshoot that video as well, please let me know. At the moment I'm almost done with all the orders, so everything has been shipped, and yeah, basically that's all there is to do about this video. So I'll let you know please let me know in the comments below what you'd like to see, if you're interested in any of these sets I've been working on. And of course, there soon will be a repaint of Drift and a repaint of Dino. They'll be out soon. Sorry about that. It's just been quite hectic coming back from holiday, having all those orders to fill and all things in your life happening as well. So yeah, I've been working. Everything will be coming out soon, and we'll be able to do a properly weekly video. So please let me know what you think about these videos in the comments below. Hope to like. Please like, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you soon in another week when I do a proper video. Thank you. Bye.